how to find and fix faults? By testing. So sometimes we have like a black box testing and a white box. So white box, black box is means that you just see input and output. If the input and output are okay, then it pass it. Okay. What is a like a white box testing? White box, it means you see the internal working. Sometimes input and output are okay, but internal processes are not optimized over there. So you have to see the loops, you have to see the condition, if else condition inside the code over there. So how analyze, and you analyze it and you test it. So testing is the most important. So in software engineering, these two testing are most important: black box testing and white box, or sometimes we call it like alpha testing or beta testing as well. So you might have heard about the beta testing for the software. Usually when you receive a new software, that is called a beta version. So that is a maybe you know that one. So working backward from the user experience of the faults. So just like Microsoft do it, the Microsoft note the user experiences and they request the user to report us if there is any problem. What about faults that have not led to the failures? Might be there are some faults which have not led to the failure, but the hackers, it's a very good like opportunity for the hackers if you don't find it. So usually there was a guy in Pakistan. I think his name was I think Zishan or someone, and he was a very good hacker. And he like he was his hobby was the hacking. So what he did is he find the vulnerabilities in Google website and he reported to the Google that you have these vulnerabilities and hackers can easily hack you. So when the Google knew about him, so he hide the Google hide him and say, okay, come to the US, and he went there, and now he's a part of the Google community over there, right? So if you are like expert in like finding the faults and the failures in a website through different tools or through different techniques or through your experiences, then most of the companies will welcome you, and they can you can easily be hired over there. Okay. So there is another example. One of my friend, when I was in King Saud University, so my friend, he just like did a bachelor degree just like from electronic university in Pakistan, but he developed some expertise in planning and policy making and auditing over there, security auditing. And he was hired by initially Tadawul hired him, and a good package like 15 plus package over there. And then King Saud hired him with a 20 plus package over there. And after then, now he was hired in Diwani Maliki over there, and he's getting like 45 plus over there, right? So it means that there is a lot of chances for you if you develop your skills. Okay, the knowledge you can find, you can have a courses, you can have a certification, but the most important thing is that you learn about more of the tools over there. You like explore the things, you get the new latest knowledge over there, right? So by this way, if you develop the skills over there, so it means there are a lot of like job opportunities in this field in the market. And cybersecurity is one of the hot cake for the job seekers over there. Fault fixing, like fixing the faults, early work relied on the penetrate and patch paradigm. So if you fix it earlier, it's better. So there is a proverb in English that a stitch in time saves nine. Means if you stitch it piece of cloth in time, so it will save you from the other nine stitches over there, right? So it is in security we call it penetrate and patch. So you have to penetrate in your system, find the errors, and then fix it. Sometimes led to the rapid efforts to patch the systems over there, leading to produce new faults over there. Sometimes you fix one fault, but it can produce another fault as well. So you need extensive testing. So a narrow focus on the fault itself and not its context. You have to see the context, the design, and the requirements. No obvious side effects in the places other than the immediate area of faults. So you have to separate the fault and then fix it and then integrate it. So nowadays, those who are programming, they know that nowadays there is no like a one module software program, there are like a what we call it module based module based programming over there. So one module is made by one group, another module is made by another group, another module is made by another group, and the fourth one is another group. So and then they are linked over there, right? So what is the benefit of this module? Okay, is that the errors does not propagate from one module to another, right? So for example, HR will have its own module, right? and and through the docking system, they will combine with the, for example, like marketing department, this is sales department, let's suppose, and this is like for example customer department, right? So all these four departments, four different modules over there. So if there is a problem in this marketing module, so other will be okay, right? So it means there will be no problem in that one. So you need to fix only the faults and errors in it, and that's it. So instead of one program, big program, this is not like a good software engineering practice nowadays. You make a module, so it also helping in the fixing program, and also good in developing it. So different parallel, four parallel teams will be working on the different module over there.